Okay, you ready? And this one. Oh, is that leaking? That's leaking. You don't want that. That doesn't taste as good as it smells. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna half a cup of this one. Yeah, I'll pour it in here and you can pour it in the bowl. Okay, you put it in the bowl. Alright, good job. You got a little bit on the counter, we get it. Okay, we're gonna open this one and we're gonna do half a cup of this kind of flour. Wait. Dump this one in there. Dump it like this. Right. Oh, that's not gonna taste very good. Did you eat it? Okay. You don't want to waste it all. All right. Then we just need sugar. We're not ready for those yet. This one. Okay. Sugar. Wait a minute. Hold it. Dump it in there. Yay! Okay, let's see what else we need. Let's put this away so you don't get a handful of flour again. Then we need like 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Let's not do that. Let's not do that either. Hold on a second, Billy. I know you're really excited. Okay, we need 2 of these. Alright. Okay, one more. Do one more. Yay! Okay. And that's it. I think that's all the dry stuff. A little bit of salt. Yeah, and then an egg. Good pepper. I'll put a little bit of salt in there. How does that taste? Okay, you want to stir it? You're going to stir it. Can you stir it with it? No, let's not stir it with the thing that you put in your mouth. Like this. Yeah? No, let's not put our hands in it. We don't need to put our hands in it to stir it. We just have to stir it with a spatula. Okay, it's stirred. All right, now we're gonna do the wet stuff. Ooh, okay. A cup of milk. Wait, this one's gonna be the hard one. You want to do the egg first? Mommy will put the oil in there. Bless you. Because you got flour in your hands. Can you dump this one in there? Okay. Whoa, don't put your hand in there. Now it's gonna be all greasy. God. Hold on. Let mommy pour it. Okay. Put a little bit of vanilla in there. Okay. You ready to crack the egg? Here. Okay. Now we're going to start with a fork. Don't put your hand in there. Okay, you ready? Keep stirring. Don't put your hands in there. Don't put your hands in there. Keep stirring. Okay. Now we're going to do this. Back to the big bowl. We'll pour it in there. Now we stir it in here. Wait. And get some off the sides. Okay, let's move you over to the sink.